Fellow South Africans, it is now the time. The president is now in our midst. Please stand on guard and let's get standard procedures out of the way. He's not alone, and I shall now take off my hat as a symbol of respect for the president and his cabinet. The president is accompanied by Minister Makakula. Greetings, Minister Makakule. And I shall greet His Excellence, President, the French President. Press no 10. Press number 10. Number 10. Tuesday. French President. President Tuesday. Aye. President Tuesday. President Wamakalakala. President Tuesday. Greetings, President. Ngiyabingelela President game uyibone njani namhla idabi MFC la. Kruger United beyidlala neCashwick Stars. Lona iqembu la linye kwaKantebele. Casrick hlulekile nekhamba namaphuzu ngaphelele 2. Casrick bathi Kruger United 3. President, your thoughts and insight of the game.
Yes, thank you, my brother. As a president of my fans, President Josi.
10.
Number 10. Yes, number 10. You will never go wrong with number 10.
Oh, yeah.
That jersey, in a meaning language, jersey. Yes, in coming to today's game before. Okay. I'm with my deputy minister here, Minister of Sport. The Minister of Sport, the original minister. This is a deputy.
Yeah, Minister Makakula.
Ngimsende ku-G20.
Hayi man, Minister
ukuthi ayongimela Minister Sithole. Ku-G20 eSandton. Ngimsende khona ukuthi ayongimela eSandton.
Yeah.
Because mina I can't be all over.
Yes, President.
I must prioritize ukuthi nama duties wami I must delegate.
Yes, President.
Yes, coming to today's game. Mangifika la vele I was expecting a game ukuthi ibe strong because it's a derby. It's derby. Mobuka ilo MFC. That league is growing. It's growing. Masifika la vele I was expecting my goals galore.
Yes, President.
And my early game the away team Casrick. Iqhamuke vele straight yona straight uthi ifuna kwashabelela khaya but lokuyele ngibonile Kruger ibese yaba underestimator lesikhani ba leader iKruger I leader 2-1 bese ba relax abayimuva ngihlale ngisho mina ngithi if ever you are a home team ungahlala emuva phuma go to the people bangithla kula abantu you must go to them ipose yaluza ama points but ngiyayibonga iKruger ukuthi idlalile iyawina yasasa 3 points ekhaya lokho ngijabulisako ma team ala Mpumalanga oyi2 nyalo iKruger saying number 1 ina 22 points mara ine magoli amaningi compared to iCasrick.
Yes, President.
Ngifuna ukuthi lama team ala Mpumalanga nethi the bees lengikwathisa ingivisa abhlungu
Stadium hayi man
the bees iqhamuke kahle but nyalo ngathi say drop standard but kufuna balungise the bees ifuna lama team kube ma-team aseMpumalanga number 1 2 3 kube ma-team aseMpumalanga then number 1 again i-automatic promotion then number 2 ayi lapha kuma playoffs.
Yes, press
singaba nenhlanhla singafaka 2 ma-team lo ka PSL
sibe
nedabi obvious vele masiba nedabi sekutoba ne-TS Galaxy kube ne-team le-win la Mpumalanga mase sina 3 sesiphethe la Mpumalanga ngiko lo ngikuphusha kuvele ngiphusha ibhola la Mpumalanga ukuthi ma team ala Mpumalanga ibhola la ekhaya asiyiphakamisene singadlala it's our time.
Press 10 press bafana basendebe kaNdebele bomkhaya bakho bomkhaya bakho imessage lokabanayo siyavuma iGruger nayo yala ekhaya imessage lokabanayo yokubathulisa abana coach Mthombeni lapha ngiphi lo ngabanayo
message kufuna bathi ukuthi when it comes to football there are 3 things there's a win there's a draw there's a lose but bona vele mabaqhamuka vele kufuna bethe nele mentality ukuthi you want to win. If you fail to win you must opt for a draw. If you fail to draw it's a lose. Asifuni lose so ukuthi team layifuna ke lose but lamuhla ilo iCasrick idlale kahle kude ngiyisola khona idlale kahle iphushile yilo iKruger lebengathi ile Kenyana mara ibe si timer late kusi next sisekhaya asiphakamiseni bangasishaya ekhaya and iKruger ita kahle because mayidlala la khaya nyalo Sayawina la khaya.
Yes, press.
And ingijabulisa ukuthi noma i-away iyawina away, iwina ekhaya iwina away.
Yes, press.
Ayiqhubeke i-maintenance standard lapha ku-MFC lapha kule log ibele tulu.
Press my press.
Yes.
Ngakubuta nalolu qembu le-Kruger United ngalivaleli iqembu lekhona la ekhaya.
Yes.
Press incoming coach Abraham. Ay coach. Wenzakalani lo babe lo? Le qembu phela besithi nalo isizini lesithi hayi Kruger ayibukisa ngathi Kruger ibukisa ngathi. Coach uyafika coach lana. Coach press khuluma nathi press. Ndiva njabule nganani. Kungwe president nje. Udiva ujabule nganani ukuthi coach Abraham ufikile uthethe licembu ufaka kuma playoff positions imphathi.
Yes, coach usebenze kakhulu coach because nyalo iKruger bese siyibona ngathi yehlisile. Sonke besidoubt iKruger. Besibuke iDerbys. Sisi iDerbys ngiyelo tophakamisa. Mara nyalo into setshintshile. iKruger seyiphakamisile even na coach bam respecta ma players am respecta. They are playing for the coach.
Yes.
That is why nasi sima fans asifike stadium si uplift emathima lakhaya. Mina la ngijabule both sides.
Yes.
iKruger neCasrick sisekhaya la lana asile it derby asiqhubeka support ibhola lasekhaya coach big up coach qhubeka lo bambe khona ungasayiyekeli qhubeka nale level leyo
President ngaphambi kokuthi ngikwekele umbuto umile bathi ngidlusa umbuto mina uyadi mina ngiyivessel mina ngisithunywa mina president
mara bathi kushaya sithunywa
ngixolele president ngikubude president.
Yes.
Bathi imbuto khona nala sikudlulisa.
Yes.
Ungabuya upha kuphuthu na kusasa. Uyawudla uphuthu na.
Uphuthu mina. Akuna scafftina seliphuthu. Akunankomazi, akunamasi lapha. Kusasa lapha siyawina Chess Galaxy against iGolden Arrows. Mr. Manquba Mncidi, Lamontville. Siyashaya 2-1. Futhi nalikho ngimani ngiyabapha 2-0.
Hayi,
ngiyachika ngisabapha.
Awudla uphuthu.
Sine clean sheet lapha. 2-0. Mind you, uskiphile kulo. Siphela sazenaqo. Uskiphile ku black level.
Uskiphe amabhiyeni.
Uskiphe amabhiyeni. Nethi sine vele iGalaxy amabhiya swanathi si straight mara ku league.
Yeah.
Useslaughterhouse eMbombela Stadium. I will be there.
Press.
Siyowina lapha amagoli siyoshaya 2 goals.
Press le game lena inebusinza lokunganani ngobe you coming into this game against your Golden Arrows. Golden Arrows number 9 when mphathi number 8 i-goal difference you same points net in separate i-goal difference mphathi wami of only 2 goals mphathi nina mphathi wami mangakubuta nje khuluma nami mphathi le game inesindo lesinganani and ayinthusi nje ngokuthi hey labafana ngathi bangafuna kubuyisa amandla ngathi la ngoba babakhiphile nabo emabhiyeni bangafuna kufunda wena uphuthu bafuna ukudlisa uphuthu
ngidlala honestly speaking igame yakusasa it will be a difficult game. I-team leto wina kusasa ito wina because I deserve that win because we are fighting number 8 and number 9 we are fighting CTS sesehlile kuloko sonke sifuna the top 8 igame yakusasa vele kuyobe kuliwa vele it will be the survival of the fittest.
Yeah,
but mina I trust my team. I trust my Galaxy. I trust my Rockets.
Yeah, Tumuza.
Siyawina 2-0 siyatumuza 2-0
Nivile
isikole ngunika sona. Ma fans akafike eMbombela Stadium.
Yes.
Agcwalisa iMbombela Stadium.
Awusayiqolise leya.
Ngiyasihlula i-team yaseNatal ifike ithosihlule ekhaya. Thina sibala Mbombela asigcwalisa stadium and bekune sale lapha bekune special. Bebathi uthenga le Golden Arrows ticket bese uthola le Chiefs. As a fan president, I'm so tired. My seat is already reserved for Chiefs and TS Galaxy. But kusasa asipushen supporteni ma team ethu. And ngibonga lokunye for coming to today's game. My fans akamgila supportile my fans. Kuhle lokho as a fan president ngiyakujabulela lokho. Ukuthi ma fans akamgile afika la Mbombela nothi Mbombela la Kanyamazana.
Yes.
Afikile with their numbers and basupportile and kubebethe kulwa.
Yeah. Akufuna kulo.
Ngiko lenkufunako mina I'm deployed in this position because they trust me. And kunebantu labathi after my term they want to take the position. Mina I'm going for second term.
Angeke.
I'm going for second term. Bantu bangithanza. Ngimuntu webantu mina ngiyipresident yebantu, president yema fans. Ngiyengisuke lapha but sekudependa ngabona labantu ukuthi bangivotela njani. Yes, ngiyabonga minister ngipromoter futhi ngikunikele portfolio.
Yeah, Minister Makakula.
Minister Makakula.
Press sesiyayigoqoda press la.
Yes.
Sasa press. Njengoba bafana abantu abadlala press. Bafana bamanqoba ngcithi nomsebenzi la wendako lapha coach manqoba ngcithi. Le bhola labayidlalako lapha mphathi. Ay nawe lo idlala ke ibhola ngalana mphathi. Awuboni ukuthi ngabe titawucudzelana mphathi ubona ngathi titabo tiphushana ka titafuna kulwanyana bese president ekunalenye mphathi lengifuna ukuthi ngihlobisele yona president sengiva njenga wonke umuntu nami president angiphathi kahle ngiva bathi sona mahlambi senior namahlambi junior
Senior na junior.
president awungitsheli mina press angikoyepi mina press
Ngiyabuta mina tindzaba tatiwa ngimi tindzaba. Kuna mahlambi junior kuna senior. Umuntu wakhe mtsala loya. So khona la team yethu. And lapha todlala lenye ibhola lapha.
yes press
Todlala lenye ibhola bomahlambi. Batola bomahlambi lapha. And kulwa hayi ukuthi balwa against each other. Balwela it Galaxy ukuthi siyaphakamisa Galaxy. Mahlambi ngiyamthemba mahlambi.
yeah
Junior and senior.
yeah
Ngiyabathemba boyi2. Ngiyabonga na chairman ukuthi amlethe mahlambi senior. Yes, sidodlala kube right lapha. Ngiyayithemba iGalaxy yami.
first president umongameli wami
Amen.
your excellence bengicela kubuyela ngigcoke isigcoko sami ngemvumo yakho president ngiyacela press
Amen. Ungasigcoka.
president umnandi
Amen.
minister Makakula ay
Always. Amen.
president